Hey Baes, it's Rissa May. It's been a minute since I said that, but we are back. Hopefully, that is the plan. We will see. But today, welcome to my new setup. First, this is my new bed. I got a new bed. It's so cute, huh? It's a queen size, so it's big. I got a big girl bed. But for real, I missed you guys. I missed making videos. So here we are. I'm gonna make more videos, hopefully. That's the plan. Depends on how busy I'll be, but where? But the video today is going to be me unpacking my senior backpack. It's very heavy today because I picked up a lot of stuff from school. So we're gonna work our way back in this backpack. So let's go. Okay, first pocket, this little one right here. This is where I keep all my pencils and such. So, oh, and my chapstick. Your chapstick. And my two pencils. This one's empty, and this one I just barely started using today because I lost my other one. So, there you go. And an eraser. Those are very handy for math. So if you're taking a math class, get yourself a big eraser because you'll need it, promise. And then in this pocket, we got lots of stuff, so just bear with me. This is the pencils that I get every single year my high school career. It's a 4-pack of the big Velocity pencils. I don't know if that's the name of it, but that's what I'm going with. I really like the grip on them, and it comes with, the 4-pack comes with this. It has erasers and lead in it. I haven't used it this much this year because I'm a senior, so I don't have like a lot of classes where I write and stuff, but junior and sophomore year they were very helpful, and I used them and they lasted me the whole year and I didn't have to get any new pencils. So I 10 out of 10 recommend those. Oh, this is a grad announcement that I have to put on my wall. There's gonna be a lot of random stuff in this pocket. Don't know what that's for. That's garbage. Ooh, here's my cue cards from a presentation I did in communications. Garbage. Granola bar wrapper. Garbage. Lotion. I 100% recommend getting a little bottle of lotion like this to carry around with you because you don't know what's gonna happen in this whole day. And your hands get dry, or your elbows get dry, or any part of you gets dry. And your friends will love you because literally, I had this my whole high school career. It's almost empty. My friends and I used it all the time. So, 100% recommend. This is my work release card. I'm not gonna show that, but that's my work release card, which I will put in my memory box. A sticker! Hold on. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with stickers, and I just got a new water bottle. This is gonna look so cute. Ta-da! Cute! Gotta stay hydrated. Garbage. Now we move on to the big boy pocket. This is a book that I'm currently reading. And then I got to bring home my scriptures today from seminary. We did this thing called Drops of Sunshine. I want to hang some of those up. I'm gonna collect all of my papers in this pile right here. Let's see how much papers I have at the end of this year. I don't believe I want any of these. There's one folder down. This one's a thick boy. This is my math home folder, and unfortunately I have to keep this one because I haven't turned it in yet. But the other stuff can go bye-bye. So this one is US Gov, and I actually want to keep these because I'm gonna be teaching history in my future, probably. So I want to keep all my worksheets. There's a few random things, but don't need them. This is probably empty. Oh! That's for an on-record. Oh, why do I still have these? Oh, it's a worksheet that I made. What the? Hello? Wow. Okay. Oh. Okay. This is a book. They were giving out free books in the library, and my boyfriend put this in my backpack. So, okay. This is my math book. I'm going to throw this one away because I do not want to look at another math assignment in my life. This is this year and last year combined. That much. I used that much in 2 years. This is a lot of random things. Last year, this was my random notes or doodling journal or notebook. So it has like, I have a picture of Stitch and Ethel. But this year, it was my psychology and communications notebook. So I think I'm gonna keep this, but we can just tear out this back page. I also highly recommend these notebooks because they're a lot bigger and you can put a lot more stuff in, especially for math. So it's really helpful to have a bigger notebook. And like I said, these are 2 years of notebooks that have similar, so it lasts you a really long time when they're bigger. If you have to write an essay on paper, I would recommend the smaller ones because you just have to fill up the page more on this one and write more. But anyways, this is my history notebook from last year. And I thought I would need it for US Gov, but I don't think I used it at all. Okay, I used 1 page, but I'm keeping it because it has history notes in it. So, my calculator, keeping it, but I wanted to throw it away. And my emergency bag. Boom. I've had this backpack my whole high school experience, I think. So yeah, my high school experience. Okay, I'm a peace out. So, peace. I'm gonna get out of here.